Good to meet you, sir.
Oh, nice to meet you, Gary. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Sound perfect. What? Tell us a little bit about yourself. And we've never met, right?
No. I don't think I've ever met you, Gary. It's been a pleasure to meet you.
Awesome to have you.
So I have a background in IT. I did the military. I don't have any money invested. I got like $13 invested in one cryptocurrency, but nothing in Bitcoin. I don't got gold, and I got no money in the bank. But I'm very suspicious of any crypto where we don't know how it works or who owns it. Same thing with the Federal Reserve. It's very private, very compartmentalization.
Yep.
And the fact that Bitcoin requires power usage in video cards is I don't think it's sustainable. I mean, I think the Bitcoin price will keep on going up because it's a valuable currency, and crypto is great. And it's better over long distances. It's easier to store. Like, you can have 10 million in Bitcoin and store in your pocket, but you can't store 10 million of gold in your pocket. You got to put it in the bank, pay a guard. I don't have much to offer for advice for investing because I am broke. But I guess my only 50 cents to add to this is I just wish there was a crypto that you could have faith into that didn't require energy, or at least free energy would be great if that was possible. But not in this universe.
But James, let me ask you a question on that. Just test the thesis. What doesn't use energy? I mean, just because you use energy, if you don't eat in the morning or for 5 or 6 days, you're going to lack any kind of creativity or production.
I like the sun. I mean, I like growing my food.
Yeah,
I like having a garden. But
my point
I agree.
You can't make something wrong because it uses energy, right? Your automobile uses energy. Your home requires energy. I don't think that just because something requires energy makes it bad.
Oh, definitely not. Bitcoin is going to go keep on going up. Like there's no stopping Bitcoin right now. I mean, if you're investing in Bitcoin, not in gold right now, that's probably a solid investment right now. Crypto is powerful.
Yeah,
probably where the future is going.
Well, speaking of the gold and the Bitcoin, don't you find it interesting that you can buy Bitcoin? Let's say you have $30. You can buy $30 of Bitcoin at the exact same price that I buy 30 million, right?
Yeah.
But you cannot do that to gold. In order for you to buy $30 worth of gold, you're going to pay 100 to 200% premium for that fraction of that piece of gold, right? Because it requires a lot more energy. They first go in, grab a bunch of gold out, clean it up, refine it, and then they start breaking it down into tiny little chips, and you get to pay extra for that, like 1 to 200%. Somebody might be able.
Gary. I mean,
absolutely, dude. If you try to buy $30 worth of gold right now, you'd buy something. I think it's Valkyrie has a tiny little chip.
You
gram. Can buy little, no, it's a microgram.
Dude. Oh goodness.
And the thing is, though, like an ounce of gold, a Buffalo gold will have a premium to a bar of gold. So every time you fraction that bar of gold down from, say, 100 ounces down to a fraction of an ounce, the premium goes up and up and up. Whereas Bitcoin, if you literally wanted to buy $30 worth of Bitcoin this morning, you would pay 58,194 divided by however many Satoshis you're buying, right? So, and zero premium.
Yeah, that's
literally. That is a game changer. See, that's why I disagree with my friend in the gold market. I think everyone is already long gold, but every sovereign and every Fed, every financial institution already has gold on its books. Most sovereigns and wealthy people have gold on its books. And I maintain none of these people, less than 2% of these people or entities have any Bitcoin whatsoever.
Well, that's why I follow you, Gary. I've only followed your Twitter for about 6 months or so, but you always share a lot of your knowledge, and I appreciate you doing what you do because, you're offering people advice, and people can take it or leave it. You're
Well,
not
now I'm
forcing
not
anyone to do
offering
it.
advice. I'm
Oh,
just
sorry. Okay,
sharing.
all
I'm
right, my
sharing.
bad. Sorry.
I'm sharing my knowledge and
But
my experience. That's all I'm doing, and I'm sharing publicly how I'm investing in this asset class. I'll tell you all when I'm out of the asset class. Also, I'm not gonna
the thing
leave
I don't
people.
like about Bitcoin specifically is, what are they computing? Like, is there an end game? Like, is there going to be a point where all the Bitcoin can be just done? Like, okay, we got 100 Bitcoins now, and I know it's more than that. I'm sure there is a number. I'm not
21
familiar.
million. It's
But
21 million. 19.6 are issued and in the market.
but how long do we have to wait? 10 years, 1,000 years? Like, are we
Wait for
going to have to
what?
start
For what?
to end Bitcoin? Like, to get it to a market where 100% of the market is available to people. Right now, Bitcoin is compiling, and just they have data centers. They got people hacking people's computers trying to mine Bitcoin slowly. There's town employees hacking town networks just to earn $20 a day off of $40 of electricity off the taxpayer dollars.
Yeah, but these people are stealing electricity, right? They're
Oh
not.
yeah,
They're not.
no,
They're not
100%. That's what I
hacking
don't like.
into. But they're not hacking into Bitcoin. They're
No,
hacking
not
into other
Bitcoin.
people.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
I don't know who knows how Bitcoin works. I don't know if it's open source. I don't think it is.
Have you ever read the white paper?
No, no,
James, I would encourage you to read the white paper and to read a book called "Suddenly, Then Gradually" by Parker Lewis. It's an awesome book. The Bitcoin Standard's also another good book. And really appreciate you coming on and just sharing, your experience and what you're doing. I'm going to continue with the show. I'm going to pop you out here. If you got any other questions or comments, please add. Appreciate you coming in, and happy for anyone to add comments or questions if you guys want to come in. Thank you so much.